Hello, welcome back to 𝓻𝓪𝓸𝓯 tutorial page. It is 𝓕𝓻𝓻𝓸𝓯. The question number 5 is E, F and G are partners sharing in 4:3:1. Means their old ratio is 4/8, 3/8, 1/8. Later on, F decided to give 1/10 of his share to G and E gave 1/5 from his share to G. Okay. If after all adjustment due to change in PSR, the capital accounts of E, F and G were 80,000, 50,000 and 70,000. But they decided to readjust their capital in new PSR. Although the total capital remained same, and if necessary, cash may be brought in or withdrawn by the partners, as the case may be. We have to answer the questions. You have already answered A and B in my previous videos. Now let us answer GR of G, and also I will find out the NR of G. Okay, both will be yani C and D both already have answered some part of D. NR of E and NR of F is already calculated. So in C I am answering C and D also of G section. Remember that condition of the question, that G's old share was 1/8. Here this 1 belongs to G, and what has happened here, F decided to give 1/10 of his share to G. So this is gained by G from F, and E gave 1/5 from his share. Here this 1/5 from his share to G. This is also gained by G from E. Now let us come to the question and how we will solve it. Just a minute. Let us come to the solution. Question number C. The question was that OR of G was 1/8. Okay, since F gave 1/10 of his 3/8 share to G, therefore SR by F equals to 1/10 into 3/8 equals to 3/80. Again, since E gave 1/5 from his 4/8 old share to G, therefore SR by E equals to 1/5, because here written from and here it was off. So in case of off it is multiplied, and when from is written, that is taken directly. Okay, so this is the SR by E. GR of G equals to SR by E plus SR by F, क्योंकि E और F दोनों ने इनके लिए सेक्रीफाइस किया. तो what E has sacrificed? E has sacrificed 1/5 plus what F has sacrificed 3/80. So when we take LCM, it is 80, 5 16 16 plus 3 equals to 19/80. That is the gaining ratio for G. Since NR equals to OR plus GR in case of gaining, if it was sacrifice, minus sacrifice also. So since NR of G, EFG, G has not sacrificed anything, so his old ratio was 1/8, and this is his gaining ratio 19/80. So if you take LCM, it is 80, 8 10 ja 10 plus 19 equals to 29 by 80 is the new share of, therefore NR of G equals to 29 by 80. Thank you.